Hello, welcome to my channel and a shout out to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. While you're here, consider subscribing. There are lots of recipes on my channel. So right now I put a little bit of oil in the pan and I'm sauteing the green bell peppers and the onions. I'm gonna do that for about 5 minutes. Next we add the garlic and we saute that for 30 seconds. I want it to release its aroma. You don't want to burn it or not even give it any color. I added 2 Roma tomatoes. They are peeled and cut in cubes. Saute them for about 5 minutes until almost all the liquid is evaporated. Don't forget that I'm leaving the list of all the ingredients at the end of this video. I made space in the middle of the pan and I'm adding the paprika and the cumin powder, and we're gonna saute them or toast them for a few seconds. You're gonna smell them, and don't allow the paprika to burn because it will taste bitter. It will turn bitter. Mix all that. Then I added the saffron or saffron, azafran in Spanish, and I put it in hot water so it would start releasing its color and flavor. I'm adding a little bit of salt because I haven't put anything in there yet, and I'm adding 1 bay leaf. It is time to add the russet potato. It's cut into small pieces, and I added a little bit of that water as well, and I'm gonna saute that for about 5 minutes until most of that liquid is evaporated. That smells really good, by the way. Now I added 3 cups of hot water. I like my stew to have plenty of broth because all of those ingredients have a lot of flavor. Mix all the ingredients well and bring it to a soft boil. Once you get a soft boil, once it starts boiling a little bit, we're going to add the garbanzo beans or chickpeas into the stew. We're gonna mix them well, and those chickpeas are they have no skin and they're rinsed. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and as I said before, subscribe. I tasted it and corrected for the salt. Remember that that stew needs 2 other ingredients: the spinach and the codfish. Now we covered that and we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then we add the spinach and we're gonna allow it to wilt. That's gonna take about 3 minutes, and we're gonna incorporate that into the stew. Gonna integrate everything really well without smashing the potatoes. By this time the potatoes should be ready. Taste them. I added the codfish into I cut them in 1-inch pieces and cook them for 5 minutes. Now I serve and I got a taste. See how that turned out. Check out the videos at the end of this video, and also check out the playlists that I have in my channel. There are a lot of really good videos, I would say, but you will be the judge if you like them or not. But there are plenty of them, and they're divided into different categories: meats and chicken and pork and beans. That's the recipe, guys. Thank you for watching. Chaito.